Guys, it's your girl Elsie, and today I've come to you with a new video. So today I am talking about weight loss, and weight loss has, as in the weight itself, has been a big issue in my life, and I want to be petite, as in slim, skinny. It's scary to even say it because I'm not quite there yet, and considering the fact that I have a big ass, big booty, that's bad. It's not budging, but the weight is budging, so that is not good. Anyways, so I I started my weight loss journey at around 70 kgs, and now I'm at 57 kgs, which is good, but I'm not quite there yet. I want to be around 49 kgs. And yeah, it's been a long, tedious journey, which involves a lifestyle change, which is good and which is bad at the same time, because weight loss is not about eating right now and then going back to how you used to eat. It means the way you eat now to lose weight, that's the way you should be eating. So that is one thing people don't know. Also, I've been stuck at 57 kgs for quite some time now, and I want to see if I can go to around 55 fast enough, then gradually go to 49. I'm not in a rush, but I want to reach my goal weight of 49 kgs. So I'll be showing you what I eat to lose weight. I don't exercise. I'm the laziest person I know, so don't expect me to show you weight loss workouts or whatever, but hacks on how to eat, how to cook your food, that I can do. But when it comes to exercise, then that is not me. So with that, I'm gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna show you in my next video what I eat in a day, and we see where my weight will be at. I'm very hopeful. So see you in my next video. Mwah.